Yawning is a curious phenomenon that many of us experience but few understand. Research suggests that yawning may serve as a social bonding tool among humans and other animals. The contagious nature of yawning can be observed even in the animal kingdom, highlighting a shared biological response. Scientists believe that seeing someone yawn stimulates areas in our brain linked to empathy, making us more likely to yawn in response. Next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it might be more than just a sign of tiredness.